How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip. As dog owners, it is crucial for us to understand and recognize signs of discomfort or injury in our beloved pets. One common injury that dogs may experience is a broken tail. While it may sound distressing, it is essential to be aware of the signs and symptoms that indicate a broken tail in dogs, particularly in the middle or tip. In this video, we will discuss the ways to recognize these signs and provide an understanding of what steps you can take to care for your dog if such an injury occurs. What is a broken tail? A broken tail, also known as tail fracture or tail injury, refers to the damage or breakage of the spinal vertebrae in a dog's tail. This injury can occur in various parts of the tail, including the middle or tip. The tail is an extension of the dog's spine and consists of multiple vertebrae that are extremely sensitive and vital for the dog's balance, communication, and overall well-being. Recognizing signs of a broken tail. 1. Visible signs. One of the most apparent signs of a broken tail is visible external trauma or injury. You may notice blood, swelling, or even an abnormal angle in the tail, particularly in the injured area. Additionally, if the tip of the tail hangs limply or at an odd angle, it could indicate a break. 2. Guarded or abnormal tail movement. A dog with a broken tail often exhibits guarded tail movements or avoids wagging it altogether. You may observe that your dog keeps its tail tucked between its legs or holds it stiffly, showing discomfort when attempting to move it. Pay attention if your dog is reluctant to sit or lie down comfortably, as this could be an indication of tail pain. 3. Unusual vocalization or behavior. A dog in pain may exhibit unusual vocalization or behavioral changes. If your dog suddenly becomes aggressive, anxious, or unusually quiet, it could be a sign that it is experiencing pain or discomfort associated with a broken tail. Monitor your dog's behavior closely, especially during activities that involve tail movements, such as greeting or wagging. For difficulty with balance or coordination. A dog's tail plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and coordination. If your dog is having trouble walking or seems unsteady on its feet, it may be due to a broken tail. Pay attention to any instances where your dog loses its balance or struggles to maintain stability, as this can be an indication of a tail injury. What to do if you suspect a broken tail? If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it is essential to seek veterinary attention immediately. The veterinarian will conduct a thorough examination, potentially including an X-ray, to determine the extent of the injury and the best course of treatment. During this time, it is crucial to handle your dog with care. Avoid touching or manipulating the tail, as this can cause further pain or damage. If possible, gently secure the tail by lightly wrapping it with a clean cloth or bandage to immobilize it until you reach the vet. Treatment and recovery. The treatment and recovery process will depend on the severity and location of the break. In most cases, the veterinarian may advise rest, limited movement, and pain management medication. They may also recommend the use of an Elizabethan collar to prevent your dog from biting or excessively licking the injured tail. In some instances, surgical intervention may be required, particularly if the bone fragments have shifted or if the tail has suffered an open wound. This type of procedure aims to stabilize the tail and promote proper healing. During the recovery period, it is crucial to follow the veterinarian's instructions carefully. Provide your dog with a quiet and safe environment to rest, away from any potential stressors or hazards that may impede the healing process. Administer prescribed medication as directed and monitor your dog's bowel movements, appetite, and overall behavior for any changes. Conclusion. Recognizing signs of a broken tail in dogs is crucial for their well-being and prompt treatment. By observing visible signs, abnormal tail movement, unusual vocalization or behavior, and difficulty with balance or coordination, you can identify when your dog may have sustained a tail injury. Remember, immediate veterinary care is essential, and following the prescribed treatment will aid in your dog's recovery and overall quality of life.